Alright, here we have engine number 3. It's a 1900 turbo diesel for a Eurovan. This gives you really great fuel efficiency. Definitely less power than your gas one. This one we're gonna sell is a mechanic special. It has some issue, was running nice in Germany, but now it has like a miss in it, so it's probably stuck injector or dirty injector. We're gonna start up for you. It accelerates, it runs, but it does have a miss in it. The engine is complete pretty much. The alternator is not there, but we can probably find you another one, but that's not included in the price. Starter, transmission is also not included, but the engine is. Transmission will be available for extra cost. Alright, here we're gonna start up engine number 3. And I start up, you grab that, the basket and all that. Okay, number 3. Idle. You can see it's just smoking in the idle, so it has a mist in it, but otherwise it runs good. So, alright.